Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. This will be a fun, interesting learning and of course under 10 minutes. So in this one, I will show you how to achieve those zooming out scroll animations on a hero section while navigating a landing page, or it can be used pretty much in any sections of a landing page. And what do I mean by that animation? I'll quickly show you the demo and we will get to it step by step. So as you see, when the mouse is scrolling, the image is increasing and it further increases to its full width. And once the mouse leaves, it is back. And how do we achieve this? It's very simple, trust me. First things first, I've already prepared my file and I will talk about this container. It has three elements: the background, image, and the text. And they are not grouped together, but they are in one container. And we want it that way because it only helps in animation, this particular one which we want, right? So first things first, we will make a component and go ahead and make variants. One more, because that's how we need for this specific animation. You can pretty much play around once you know the trick. So make sure that you have enough room to work with so that it just gets easy working with it, right? So now the first one, you can go ahead and use this eye icon to make all the elements invisible, because for now that's how we want it, and why I will tell you once I'm using the prototyping, right? Again, selecting the background, since it starts with a small image, as per your choice and design requirements, just play around. For now, I will just do it this way. Again, it's a demo, right? So I'm just playing around the visuals at the moment, trying to achieve what I showed you. And just selecting the text and how we can move it, still being in the container. That can be achieved by using your arrow keys on your keypad, right? So this one will be the right arrow key. We want it in the negative space. We don't want it outside the container. So if you move with the mouse, it'll completely go. And we don't want that because we still need it because of that sliding animation, which happens and looks really cool. So yeah, you have to be a little patient because patience always gives you a rewarding experience, right? So it's okay. But again, this is just for the design purpose, right? It's up to you. If you don't want it, you can again select it and use the eye icon to make it invisible, right? And the third one, we make it invisible. The image still not there, but slightly less because it's expanding, right? And we need to show that transition, okay? So that's that. Oops, sorry. Okay, the third is done. And the fourth one. Again, making all the elements which we don't want at the moment. We'll increase the size of this, making sure it's well aligned and not like how it was happening. It's just making it bold for the design purposes. Again, it will all depend upon your design decisions and what is needed. And for this, we will use this new feature, the aspect ratio, to increase the size and making it overflow, because that's how we want it. Make sure it is still in that container. As you see, the purple lines. So it's up to you how much you want it to show, right? Make sure that elements that you want it visible should be inside this purple container. But if you put this outside, it won't be visible, right? So that is done. Now we do our prototypes. So the first one will be an after delay because it's sort of a loader and you can pretty much play around with your animation and timers. I prefer ease in and out. And this one, since we don't have the scroll trigger, so we'll use mouse enter and a little bit of delay and then ease in and ease out, and again 1500, right? Same for the third to fourth. Since of course it got confused because the image is blown, we can fix that. Change to variant 4 and smart animation, again mouse enter. Again, make sure everything is similar to what the previous was, right? That's sorted. And of course we make it go back, and how we can achieve that by mouse leave. And yeah, that is done. So now let's see, were we able to achieve that? Again, dropping the instance, right click and option on the keyboard. Make sure to align wherever you want as per your design requirement. And now let's see. Since it's the 1440 width, we can always have a prototype setting. So the closest is the Surface Pro 8, so we'll use that. If you use anything smaller, the design won't work properly, right? Again, make sure that the screen is selected and let's play it. And there we go. Once mouse enters and it's scrolling, it's expanding and it continues to expand. And once the mouse leaves, it goes back. So pretty much this is how you achieve that. Feel free to explore, experiment, enjoy, and thank you for watching. Bye.